Hello everyone, this is Rahim.
And this is Ayaz. We are from CEP Solutions. Today we are going to tell you how to make organic dry date powder.
The things we require to make organic dry date powder are dry dates,
Floor strainer,
knife,
grinder,
cotton cloth.
and finally 2 bowls. Let's start the process. For the process we have to take a dry date and cut them and remove the seeds from it. You have to remove this seed from it like this.
And now cut these dates into small pieces. It will be helpful in the process of drying easily.
Now we have to take these cutting pieces into a bowl and dry into the sunlight about 5 to 6 days. On the 7th day, it's completely dried now and it's looking a bit crispy. Now we have to grind this to make a powder. After drying a dry dates, now we have to grind them to make a fine powder. Let's see it's been grind or not. Oh, it's grind. Now we have to strain by using floor strainer to take out the fine grind powder. Ungrind particles has to take it out and grind them again and repeat this process. After filling this, we have to close the jar by using cap.
Let's look into the uses of this organic dry date powder.
In my view, it's easy to use. You can add this powder in any drink instead of sugar. When it comes to the economic point of view, you can take this dry date powder when prices are very less and convert them into the powder.
If you store this powder in glass jar, it can be stored up to nearly 6 to 9 months. And when it comes to plastic, it cannot store for longer duration. And guys, please say no to plastic for better health and environment, being a good source of fiber in this dry date powder. This powder contains excellent natural laxativity that can ease in constipation. Dry dates being rich in vitamin A, iron, magnesium and calcium. It helps in boost of your immunity.
You can use this powder in banana date smoothie, baked oatmeal with figs and dates, orange, almond and date salad, vegan chocolate date smoothie, Talini date salted caramels.
Dry dates being rich in iron, vitamin A, magnesium and calcium. It boosts your immunity, and this dry date powder can aid the anemia too. To many health experts, you can eat daily 4 to 6 tablespoons of dry date powder per day. And guys, if you are planning to lose your weight,
you can have this powder in a cup of tea in the morning, or in the evening you can have with the milk or a green tea.
And guys, use biodegradable and eco products for the best environment and save this for our next generation. Restore resource for future. Thanks for watching this. Team CPS.